Greetings, my dears. Thank you to everyone who supports me, and also welcome to everyone visiting my channel for the first time. Subscribe to show your support. The other day, I found a mold and an idea struck me. Why not make some rosary beads? They're a bit too big for pendants, but they'll look great as rosary beads. I'll be using thick resin today because it dries faster. I'll be making all the crosses white. I'll be using regular dye for epoxy resin. Pour the first layer, but not all the way into the mold, just a little more than halfway. This should create a shallow indentation. Let it dry for 4 to 6 hours. My pieces are dry, and I'm removing them from the mold. Now we'll start creating the decorations. I have nail stickers, mother-of-pearl chips, and glass chips. To secure the glass and stones, I'll use UV resin and a UV lamp. For the stickers and decoupage cards, we'll need water. It's best to place a flat board underneath the pieces. Since I have a protrusion in the form of an outline on one of my crosses, I decided to fill it with glass chips. I coat it with UV resin, lay the chips down and dry it in a lamp. Now we'll begin decorating the second piece. I decided to add natural beige mother-of-pearl. We'll also apply resin where the stones will be, lay the mother-of-pearl in place, and cure it in a lamp. Next, I'll decorate the third piece. I've already cut out the stickers and roughly positioned where they will be. Wet each sticker in water and remove the thick surface so that the design remains on the finger. Apply it to the product, pressing firmly. Blot with a napkin to remove any air. Let's decorate the fourth piece. I cut out some elements from a decoupage card and pre-laid them on the piece. Decoupage is somewhat similar to stickers, you just wet them in water and apply them to the piece. I finished decorating. Now we'll lay our pieces on a flat surface. I'll mix up the resin. Today I'm using a thick one for art pieces, and carefully coat the pieces. Let them dry for 4 to 6 hours. These are the rosary beads I made. I used the rest as pendants. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to support the channel.